Hey everybody, this video is about how to find the prime factorization of a number. Okay, so first of all, come on over here and grab a pen or marker. And for this problem, we're going to find the prime factorization of 40. Okay, so the way you do this is you want to say what two numbers multiplied together give you 40. Okay, now we could do 8 and 5 or 4 and 10. I'm going to go with, let's go with 4 and 10. Okay, so 4 times 10 is 40. Now what you want to do is you want to keep breaking these down until they're only prime. Okay, so 4 I know is a composite number. So 4 can be 2 times 2. And anytime I come up with a prime factor, I'm going to circle it. All right, so 2 is prime, 2 is prime. But 10 is not prime, right? So I know that 10 can be 5 times 2. And both of those are prime. Okay? So notice when I multiply the circled numbers, 2 times 2 is 4, right? Times 5 is 20. Times 2 is 40. So when I multiply those prime factors together, I get the original number. And that's what the prime factorization is. Okay? Now, another way of writing 2 times 2 times 5 times 2 would be 2 to the third power times 5.